Hey friends, welcome to Mimi's Mix Bag. Got a cute little trash to treasure idea for you today. And I was inspired a couple weeks ago when I had made some green beans and I was left with this kind of extra large tin can. I don't use this size can very much, but I just thought it would make the cutest vase or centerpiece, or I would figure out something to do with it. Now I'm also going to use some wooden spoons. The wooden spoon idea you have seen before, where I'm going to paint these up in some little Halloween characters. Now I'm going to cover my can with part of this Dollar Tree tote bag. And the only reason why I bought this was because I've mentioned before I don't have a color printer, and it was just easier for me to buy this and cut it and use it. But you could use scrapbook paper, print something off. This can is like a blank canvas. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take the label off, and I'm going to do 2 or 3 coats of bright green paint on the can. All right, while my can is drying, I'm going to go ahead and cut out my trick-or-treat graphic on the tote bag. The most time-consuming part of this project is getting my tin can dry enough. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next part of the project, and that is decorating up my wooden spoons. And if you were to Google Halloween wooden spoons, you will get all kinds of cute ideas. They make black cats and witches and Dracula. And I decided I'm going to do a pumpkin, a Frankenstein, and a ghost. So my spoon that's got a hole in it, I'm going to paint it white. The one with the slanted edge is going to be my Frankenstein, and the regular rounded spoon is going to be my pumpkin. So I'm going to paint them white, orange, and green, and then I'm going to use my Sharpie marker to draw in the details of the jack-o'-lantern face and the stitch marks and the hair of the Frankenstein and the eyes of the ghost. Super simple, but using a Sharpie marker is a great, neat way to get your details. Alright, I think I have all the parts to my project complete, so I can put it all together. Just want to show you that it did take a few coats, and I also put a clear coat on there just to give it a little glossy look. And I also painted the inside in case some of the can showed from the inside. Now you could eliminate this process completely and just cover it with scrapbook paper. It would look just as cute and a lot quicker. My spoons turned out cute. I painted the inside of the little circle of the ghost. And my little Frankenstein is cute, and my pumpkin, and put a spray of clear coat on them, and just gives them a nice sheen where they're not so flat and matte looking. So now for my trick-or-treat graphic, I can just brush some Mod Podge, or I can just hot glue it on there, and then I'm going to trim it out with some orange rickrack, and then stick my spoons in some styrofoam I stuck in there, and then I'll be ready to show you what it looks like. Alright friends, here is my Halloween wooden spoon centerpiece. I think it turned out really cute. So glad I saved that large can. It's a great make and take project. It's easy, it's inexpensive, and the skill level is very beginner. So if you have a group of kids or some ladies over for craft night, within an hour everyone can make their own arrangement. Just so many possibilities and lots of little characters you can make with those spoons. So I got it set up here just as a centerpiece, but you could set this anywhere in the house. And you can even make a smaller version with a regular soup can. So I hope you'll take this idea and make it your own, and I'll be back in a few days. Bye-bye.